You don't need to learn coding to understand AI, but if you understand these 9 concepts, you're already ahead of 99% of people. This isn't just tech jargon. These are the building blocks of the next internet. Most people think AI is smart automatically, but AI is only as good as the prompt you give it. Bad prompt? Write something about AI. Good prompt? Explain AI to a beginner in 30 seconds using a real-life analogy. Same AI, completely different result. That skill is called prompt engineering, learning how to communicate with AI effectively. The better your instructions, the smarter AI becomes. Imagine taking an exam. One student answers from memory. The other checks Google, notes, and documents first. Who gives the better answer? That's what RAG does for AI. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. Instead of relying only on training data, AI first searches trusted information, then generates a response. That's why modern AI search DB and answer using real-time information. AI doesn't understand words like humans do. To AI, every word becomes numbers. That process is called embeddings. Think of it like turning language into coordinates on a giant map. Words with similar meanings get placed close together. Dog and puppy, very close. Dog and spaceship, far apart. This is how AI understands context, searches docs, recommends content, and powers tools like ChatGPT. Base AI models know a little about everything, but fine-tuning turns them into specialists. Instead of building from scratch, you train an existing model on your own data and examples. It learns your tone, industry, and tasks. The result is AI that becomes more accurate, more personalized, and better at specific jobs. General AI evolves into expert AI tailored for your needs. An AI agent is not just a chatbot. It's AI that can take action. Instead of only answering questions, it can plan steps, use tools, and complete tasks for you. Think sending emails, booking meetings, analyzing data, or writing code. It decides what to do, executes it, and adapts. This is where AI moves from talking to actually doing work in the real world. MCP, Model Context Protocol, is like a universal connector for AI. It allows AI models to securely talk to tools, apps, and data sources without custom integrations each time. Think of it as a USB-C port for AI, one standard that connects everything. With MCP, AI can access files, databases, and services in a structured way, making agents more powerful, flexible, and scalable. A vector database is the memory system for AI. Instead of storing text, it stores meaning as numbers, embeddings. This lets AI search by similarity, not just keywords. So it can find related documents, recall past conversations, and retrieve the right information fast. It's what powers smart search, RAG systems, and AI that feels like it remembers everything. Multimodal AI is AI that understands more than just text. It can process images, audio, video, and text together in one system. You can show it a picture and ask questions, play audio and get summaries, or analyze videos in seconds. This makes AI feel more human-like because it understands multiple types of information at the same time, not just words on a screen. Agentic AI is AI that doesn't just respond. It acts with goals. Instead of waiting for step-by-step instructions, it can plan, make decisions, and execute tasks across tools. It breaks problems into steps, chooses actions, and adapts based on results. This is AI moving from passive assistant to active worker, capable of handling complex workflows with minimal human input.